Now here is the iCrimp tool. So that's how that opens like this. And you're gonna be crimping on, like I said, make sure it's straight, double check everything. And we want it to go just like this, okay? Okay, squeeze it tight, and then it opens up, okay? Now we'll get the other one lined up. Okay, it's gonna go about like that. And we're gonna put it down there now. So let me come over here. This is gonna go right here. Accidentally pushed that. It's hard with this camera. I'm gonna have to move you guys over here. Okay, that's where that's gonna go. Okay. The tool works great. My hands are a little bit wet. And a 3/4 inch, those rings, you gotta push them pretty hard. That's to be expected. My other tool, these are actually a little bit easier than my other tool, and this is a tight space.